Microsoft Clarity Shopify integration. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to integrate both Microsoft Clarity and Shopify. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And please don't forget that you are going to be able to find the both Shopify and Microsoft Clarity sign up links and website links in the description of this video. Okay, with Microsoft Clarity, you're gonna get a new insight of your store in your Shopify and get some data that is gonna be useful for your marketing. You're gonna get some heat maps and also some screen recorders, I guess. And this is basically a heat map. So this is gonna give you like the most important areas for your clients of your Shopify store, and this is gonna be known through Microsoft Clarity. So once you have created an account here, you're gonna be asked for this: add a new project, website, and you must get the name of the project and the website URL. In this case, the URL that you need is the URL from your store, from Shopify, okay? And don't forget, you can add a new project, whatever you want. Once you have that, you must select how you want to install Clarity. So I'm going to select this option, install on a third-party platform, view platforms, and Shopify. And here we're gonna get the steps in order to do it. I'm gonna show you here in this video. So you must copy this code into your clipboard and then go into your Shopify online store themes, actions, edit code, and go into theme.liquid. So let's make the steps. Online store, themes. Here I have my current theme. I can go into the three dots and now edit code. And here into theme.liquid, okay? Let's continue. Now we must scroll down the page until you find the following tag, head. This is important. In my case, I have it here in the beginning of my theme.liquid, but in case you cannot find it, you must make the shortcut Ctrl+F or Command+F if you are in a MacBook and write the word head. There you're gonna be able to check where you're gonna find that word. But as I told you, in my case, I have that almost at the beginning of my theme.liquid. So there, let's continue. We must paste the Clarity tracking code just before the head tag and save. So let's go back. I'm going here, I'm going to make some space, and I'm going to paste that tracking code that I get from Microsoft Clarity and now save. Okay, as it's saved, I can go back if I want. Now, step 9, open settings, go into checkout, scroll down to the additional scripts field and placed the Clarity tracking code too. So let's do it again. Here are the settings in my Shopify, almost at the end of my left panel. Go into checkout and here into scroll down, additional script. Let me check additional scripts. And there we're gonna paste the code again and save. Okay, if I go back into the steps, we're gonna find that select save, and now the Clarity tracking code is now installed for storefront and order status pages. So there we're gonna have some extra steps that I'm not gonna teach you in this video, but this is important for you to know that Shopify does not allow third-party scripts onto checkout pages except for Shopify Plus accounts. So you must be a Shopify Plus account if you want to totally integrate your Microsoft Clarity with your Shopify account. And that's it. That's how you can do it. You then can check the dashboard, check some recordings, okay, for people who are using this, and check some heat maps too. Thanks for watching.